Hey guys, my name is Tana and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm driving some sort of different car. Yes, I'm in the Boxster and we're doing stress testing. I got new tires on the car. We didn't go with the 18-inch, we went with the 17-inch because you know what? I prefer that design, and furthermore the 18-inch, the rims didn't fit. So we are down to 17, but I got new Michelin PS4 on it. Done with the tire shop and about to go back to my Porsche guy to do other bits and end. And you know what? The aircon failed. The aircon failed at the tire shop itself. I'm not sure why, maybe wiring or so. But I had to drive the car back to the Porsche mechanic. So from Sungai Long, I'm driving back to R. Damansara, and I'm stuck in the traffic. I'm stuck in traffic, driving a manual in Federal Highway. Temperature has been good. I'll show you the temperature here. Yeah, the temperature is holding well, no concern. I mean, my take is if a car can go through traffic in Federal Highway and not break down and everything is good, you know what? I think the car is good. Yeah, success!